Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is Google Photos part of Google Drive? So, Google Photos is not a part of Google Drive. This one is separate services, but you share the same space for them. So if we go open Google Photos, right here for free we have 15 gigabytes of space. So you share this space with between Google Photos, Google Drive and Gmail. Also, Google Drive is just a storage, cloud storage, and Google Photos. In Google Photos you can edit your pictures or videos, you can organize them, you can share them. Also in Google Photos we have AI features like AI search, what we haven't in Google Drive. So my short answer is no, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!